tó mo kí yín o, ẹ ṣé tẹ́ tẹ́tí sí mi. Èmi náà ni o, èmi tiyín ní tòótọ́, àìtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ. Èmi àìtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin akéde mi tèwe tàgbà káàbọ̀ sí abala Mofeko Ede Mi torí kíkọ́ ni mímọ̀. Àkòrí ọ̀rọ̀ wa lénìí ni gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe sọ síwájú nínú fídíò nípa àkókò àti aago pé a máa kọ́ òǹkà counting ní Yoruba. So àkòrí ọ̀rọ̀ wa lénìí ni òǹkà. Hello everyone. Aitale Abiyamo welcomes all Akedes to Mofeko Ede Mi. For today, as aforementioned, we're learning about time, saying the time using the clock or your watch, that because we have 24 hours in the day, so the basic number that you need to know, which will be applicable every day for your daily use, is 24. Numbers 1 to 24. Come along with me. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, gẹ́gẹ́ bí Yorùbá ọmọ adúláwọ̀, a ní òǹkà. Àwa náà máa ń ka nọ́mbà wa. So, nínú ẹ̀kọ́ eléyìí, a máa kọ́ bá ti ń ka nọ́mbà wa. Láti ìkíní títí dé ẹ́rìnlélógún 24 torí pé kí ni wákàtí ẹ́rìnlélógún 24 hours ló wà nínú ọjọ́ kan. Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ. Ọ̀kan, one, ọ̀kan. Èjì, two, èjì. Ẹ̀ta, three, ẹ̀ta. Ẹ̀rin, four, mẹ́rin. Àrún, five, márùn-ún. Ẹ̀fà, six, mẹ́fà. Èje, seven, méje. Ẹ̀jọ, eight, mẹ́jọ. Ẹ̀sán, nine, mẹ́sàn-án. Ẹ̀wá, 10, mẹ́wàá. I know everybody. This is the first part of it, 1 to 10. The second part will be 11 to 20. And the last part will be 20 to 24. We're stopping at 24 for now because we have 24 hours in a day. So I feel, I Tale Abiyamo feels that you need to know your numbers from 1 to 24 so that you can relate it to the 24 hours that we have in a day. So we've done the first part from 1 to 10. Láti kan títí dé mẹ́wàá. The next part is from 11 to 20. It's going to be quite a mouthful. So I'm going to go over it slowly and keep saying it after me. You're going to get it. Well done. Well done for the first part. So here is the second part. 11, ọ̀kànlá. Mọ́kànlá, 11. 12, èjìlá. Méjìlá, 12. 13, ẹ̀tàlá. 13, ẹ̀tàlá. Mẹ́tàlá, 13. 14, ẹ̀rìnlá. Mẹ́rìnlá, 14. 15, mẹ́ẹ̀dógún, mẹ́ẹ̀dógún, 15, 16, ẹ̀rìndínlógún, mẹ́rìndínlógún, 16, 17, ẹ̀tàdínlógún, mẹ́tàdínlógún, 17, 18, èjìdínlógún, méjìdínlógún, 18, 19, ọ̀kàndínlógún, ọ̀kàndínlógún, 19, 20, ogún, ogún, 20. So that's the second part done. Now the third part, which is from 20 to 24. Okay. 20, ogún, ogún, 20. So, we've done 1 to 10, which is from ọ̀kan sí mẹ́wàá. Then from 11 to 20, láti ọ̀kànlá or mọ́kànlá dé ogún. Ogún is 20. 21, ọ̀kànlélógún, ọ̀kànlélógún, 21. 22, èjìlélógún, méjìlélógún, 21. Sorry. ọ̀kànlélógún, ọ̀kànlélógún, 21. méjìlélógún, méjìlélógún, 22. mẹ́tàlélógún, mẹ́tàlélógún, 23. ẹ̀rìnlélógún, ẹ̀rìnlélógún, 24. And thus conclude our learning of counting our numbers from number 1 to 24. Like I said earlier, I'm stopping at 24 because I feel and I think that is all you need to know for now, because we have 24 hours in a day. This will help you to apply it in saying your hours, wákàtí, your ìṣẹ́jú, minutes, and your seconds, and your seconds, ìṣẹ́jú àyà, in the previous lesson. So we're going to go over it again, but this time around now, purely in Yoruba. So say them after me. Ọ̀kan, ìkan, méjì, mẹ́ta, mẹ́rin, márùn-ún, mẹ́fà, méje, mẹ́jọ, mẹ́sàn-án, mẹ́wàá, mọ́kànlá, méjìlá, mẹ́tàlá, mẹ́rìnlá, mẹ́ẹ̀dógún, mẹ́rìndínlógún, mẹ́tàdínlógún, méjìdínlógún, mọ́kànlélógún, ogún, ọ̀kànlélógún, èjìlélógún, ẹ̀tàlélógún, ẹ̀rìnlélógún, 24. That is your number from 1 to 24. Your 24 hours in a day. So it's a bit trickish, but we made it. So That's it, guys. Well done. Well done. Fair play to you. Fair play to you. Now you've learnt your numbers. Onka. Numbers. Counting. Counting is onka in Yoruba. So counting is onka, your numbers. So you've learned counting your numbers. You can see your vocabulary, your Yoruba vocabulary keeps expanding every day. If it is 1, ìkan, ọ̀kan. If it is 2, èjì, méjì. If it is 3, mẹ́ta, ẹ̀ta. If it is 4, mẹ́rin, ẹ̀rin. If it is 5, márùn, àrún. If it is 6, mẹ́fà, ẹ̀fà. If it is 7, èjì, méjì. If it is 8, ẹ̀jọ, mẹ́jọ. If it is 9, ẹ̀sán, mẹ́sàn. If it is 10, ẹ̀wá, mẹ́wàá. And if it is 11, is mọ́kànlá, ọ̀kànlá, 12, èjìlá, méjìlá, 13, ẹ̀tàlá, mẹ́tàlá, 14, ẹ̀rìnlá, mẹ́rìnlá, 15, mẹ́ẹ̀dógún, 16, ẹ̀rìndínlógún, mẹ́rìndínlógún, ẹ̀tàdínlógún, mẹ́tàdínlógún, èjìdínlógún, méjìdínlógún, ọ̀kàndínlógún, ọ̀kàndínlógún, ogún, ogún, ọ̀kànlélógún, ọ̀kànlélógún, èjìlélógún, èjìlélógún, ẹ̀tàlélógún, ẹ̀tàlélógún, ẹ̀rìnlélógún, ẹ̀rìnlélógún. My numbers now, I know. My numbers now, you know. Your numbers now, you know. Your numbers. So, guys, I'm just jamming to the flow. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. So, that's it. That's it, guys. So, keep saying it. Ẹ máa bá mi sọ o. Ẹ máa bá mi jẹ́ lẹ́nu pẹ̀lú. Ẹ máa bá mi yiri ẹ wò. Go to it from time to time. Listen to it over and over again. Keep saying it. Keep applying it. When you want to say your numbers, say it in your mother tongue. I mean, ìkan, méjì, mẹ́ta, mẹ́rin, márùn, mẹ́fà, méjì, mẹ́jọ, mẹ́sàn, mẹ́wàá, mọ́kànlá, méjìlá, mẹ́tàlá, mẹ́rìnlá. Mẹ́rìnlá, 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 mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún, ẹ̀rìndínlógún, ẹ̀tàdínlógún, èjìdínlógún, ọ̀kàndínlógún, ogún, ogún, ọ̀kànlélógún, èjìlélógún, ẹ̀tàlélógún, ẹ̀rìnlélógún. So, just flow with it. Formulate it. I mean, mess around with it. Tear it apart. Build it up again. Just have fun with it as I am having so much fun. I've never had this much fun. I am having so much fun as well because I'm learning as well. It is good. It is good. It is fun. It is fun. So say it in your mother tongue. Say it in your mother tongue because Yoruba is rich. And I can't say it. I can't emphasize it enough. And beautiful. Yoruba is very, very beautiful. I'm so proud to be a Yoruba girl. And not only that, to be able to flow in the language. Because when you're speaking the language, that is you speaking from your heart. When you're speaking Yoruba, there's no need for you to force. It reduces the stress in your brain. It reduces the job that you have to do because you don't need to first interpret it, then translate it. No, you just go with the flow, you know. So, I leave you now till I come your way again, which is gonna be very, very soon in the next one. Akweto.